Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm making kind of a fun card, and it just has a piece of poo and some toilet paper, which could be fabulous. Even now I haven't been able to find toilet paper, but it says we've been through lots of crap. And then I think on the inside I'll put, and we'll get through this too. And I just thought that was really cute, so I'm going to send this to the manager that works for me, and I thought that he would appreciate this. So let me show you how I made this so that you can maybe make one too. And this is a stamp set called Just Stinkin' Cute from Unity Stamp Company. And it has some really cute images, and they're all, you know, oh crap, I forgot your birthday, you're stinkin' cute, things like that. So it's really a cute stamp set that I don't have the opportunity to use a lot, but when I was going through my images and I saw that, I was like, oh, that's really cute. And especially now with the toilet paper, it'd be appropriate either way though, because these times are so different than usual. But as per normal, I am using an A2 sized card. Whoops, I didn't get that folded quite right. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, cut in half and then scored in half, so that you end up with a 5.5 by 4.25 card. And I just had some extra scrap cardstock, and I found one that I thought looked kind of cute with this image, and I'm going to just put that right in the center of the card. And then I just have a piece of white cardstock that was in my scrap pile that I'm going to stamp the image on and put that here. And let's see, I'm going to do this one just a little bit different, I think, because I learned a little bit while I was doing it. But I'm starting off with the toilet paper image, and I'm going to ink him up in black, and then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to take off the ink in this corner. And then I'm going to stamp it straight down like that. You can still see a little bit of where the ink was, unfortunately, but that's okay. And then I'm going to take my pile of poo and put that down, and I'm going to ink that in the corner that I erased, so it'll look like this is sitting on top of that. And you can see a little bit of the corner in there, and that's okay. And then I took my sentiment that says we've been through lots of crap, and I'm just going to put that on the bottom. And that's all the stamping that we have to do. To make the stamp look like it's complete, I did take a one of my black markers that is, it's like alcohol proof, whatever, I don't know what that's called, but I buy it when I buy my alcohol markers. And clearly I need to be buying another one. This one isn't flowing very well, but I can just brighten up the lines so that now the line goes all the way to the poo, and I don't have to worry about it, and I didn't have to fussy cut or any of that. I just made it easy on myself. And then I'm taking the lightest gray, and I'm going to go ahead and go around the image in the lightest gray color that I'm using. This just kind of gives it a space. I don't know, I think it looks nice. And in the other one, I used a darker gray, but I think that the lighter gray will be a little bit better. And then I'm going to go ahead and color in some of my toilet paper. And it's okay if I color over the heart with this light color. I'm going to color over it with my red, so it really doesn't hurt anything. Same with the poo. If I got some on there, it's not a big deal because I am going to color that as well. So I'm coloring with the lightest one first. And then, let's see, the next one, mean, it's toilet paper, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm just trying to get some, just to know that it was colored. And then, let's see. I did take two different colors. I think this is my darker one. They're both very similar. But if you look at the other image, you can see where it kind of, one is a little bit darker than the other. And I'm just blending it in. In this case, it's okay if it looks like crap. Ha 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 ha. That was a dumb joke, but I couldn't help it. Couldn't help myself. And then I'm going to take the red marker and just color in the hearts. And finally, on this one, I'm going to outline like that. Then I'll just put this right down in the middle. And then this card is opening this way, which I think is really cute. So there we go. Hope you liked today's card. I know it was a little bit silly, but it's fun. And yeah, these times will sometimes bring out the silly. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Maybe take the time to reach out to someone that you care about to let them know that you're thinking of them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.